Hey everybody, I am at the Prima booth. I am going to show you guys the new surfboard collection. It's so cute, the pinks and the teals. Alright, so we have some 12 by 12 single sheet papers which come with foil on them. So keep that in mind, and the people still are setting up, so you will hear some beeping and lots of noise. And we have some projects here. Super cute. And I'm going to take you guys over this way. And we have layout up there. Then we have 12 by 12 paper collection. These do not have foil on them. So if you're not a foil person, you may want to get the 12 by 12 collection pack paper pad. And then we have A4, 6 by 6 journaling cards, and then a little mold, which is so cute. I loved the Prima resin, the seashells. So this is super cute. You can make as many as you want. And we have some chipboard pieces and some ephemera and some more projects down here. And we're gonna come over here to more projects. You guys, this is amazing. All of these projects. So if you made any of these projects, let me know, leave a comment, and so that I can know which one is yours. It'd be cool, and then everybody else can see as well. And then, oh, we got the flowers here. Alright, super pretty. The flowers. So I haven't seen Prima do these in a while, so these are cute. These little tiny flowers. And some more projects. Alright you guys, that is a look at the new surfboard collection from Prima. I will catch you guys later. Bye!